beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be? It's a neighborly day in this beauty wood. A neighborly day for a beauty. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor? I have always wanted to have a neighbor just like you. I've always wanted to live in a neighborhood with you. So let's make the most of this beautiful day. Since we're together, we might as well say, would you be mine? Could you be mine? Or won't you be? Please won't you be pretty, please won't you be my neighbor? Fancy, I woke up before my alarm, rub my mind through my eyes. It's the best I can do before it's automatic habit overturning to you. Though I smile when it happens, almost as if it was magic. Means there's a God somewhere and he's laughing, and I shuffle my slipperless toes to the kitchen, low to the ground, but high on living. And I know it's gonna be a good day. Beautiful thing. Waking up, I stretch my body and acknowledge some bass. Must be something I did yesterday. Pour a cup of liquid gold because my engine's still cold. But any minute everything's gonna change, 'cause I know it's gonna be a good day. Hello, you beautiful thing. Hello, you beautiful thing. This is what I've been waiting for. 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 Watching the bend of the earth take the black of the night from the dirt. I can see from the depths of my readjusting eyes a reflection of yeses in an ever-changing sky. But why do bad dreams linger long after I awake? I don't need no scenes of violence or pain replayed. And I feel quite foolish sometimes when I pray, but my thoughts are all I got, so I try to make them brave. And I know